Hello all, very good evening. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. I welcome you all to today's Generative AI introduction session. Yeah, before starting the session, let me give you some introduction about the institute and what are the trainings we are offering here. So I'll be just sharing with you. So before starting the session, so I would like to show you my YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-On Job-Based Training. This is our YouTube channel. We have almost 35,800 plus members of subscribers here, and we have already uploaded more than 426 plus videos like we have uploaded here. Okay, if you just go to the video section, you will come to know like what are the technologies, what are the courses we have uploaded here. Yeah, you'll get the recording, please wait. Okay, you'll get the recording. So we have uploaded like many useful videos regarding the many technologies like Power BI, Generative AI, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud, React.js, GCP. Okay, so on Azure Data Engineering, Azure Databricks, cyber security. Okay, on many tools and technologies, like we have uploaded like many useful content here. So just visit our channel. If you like our content, like the videos, comment on them, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. I'm just sharing this YouTube channel link in the chat so that like you people can access this link and you can subscribe to the channel. I have just shared the link with you. You can check it out. And this is our website. We have a website called razinformatica.com. Okay, so if you can see at the left side top corner here, so you can see that Raj Informatica is now Raj Cloud Technologies. Initially, like we started with only Informatica Power Center and Informatica Cloud trainings. Later on, like we have added many courses here, and like we have renamed our institute as Raj Cloud Technologies. If you just scroll down in our homepage, you will be able to see whatever the trainings that we are offering here. That is Generative AI, React.js, Artificial Intelligence with Machine Learning, Azure Data Engineering and Azure Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud IaaS IDMC, SAP S4 HANA and FICO, Cyber Security, Power BI, Google Cloud, AWS and DevOps, Python full stack development, Python for AI and ChatGPT, Tableau and Salesforce. These are the courses that we are offering in Raj Cloud Technologies. Got it? If you just scroll up, there is a section called upcoming free live sessions. In this upcoming free live sessions section, you will be able to see like whatever the upcoming demos are available, whatever the upcoming free live sessions are available, all these things you can see here from this section. Okay, so you can see today's meeting also. Generative AI training free live session 14th July at 5 p.m. Okay, in the same way, like whatever the demos that we are taking, whatever the introduction classes that we are taking, okay, so all the free session links will be available in this upcoming free realization section. Okay, and day after tomorrow, like we have on the React.js. Okay, the React.js is also available here. In this way, we'll mention like whatever the free account, whatever the free sessions we are offering, all the free sessions will be available here in this section. Got it? Yes. Apart from these courses and all, we have some other useful information in our website. You can see here interview questions. We have uploaded like many useful interview questions with the answers here. Okay, and the materials as well. Okay, and we offer internship program also. So if you are a fresher, if you are a 2025 or 2026 graduate, so if you want internship certificates, if you want to do an internship as well, so we offer the online internships also here. Got it? We provide both online and offline internships also. Okay, so for more information, you can just browse our website or you can contact us on this number 810-529-6858. This is our calling and WhatsApp number also. You can just contact us on this number so that we can give you the complete information on whatever the course that you wanted to join. Okay, so without any delay, like let's get into the Generative AI program. So if you just go to the courses section here, you'll find out all the courses, whatever the courses we have, all the courses you can see here. Okay, so just go to the courses section, click on Generative AI, So this is the page where you are going to get the complete information about the Gen AI. Got it? You can see here the batch starting date, and the information about the description about the generative AI program, and whatever the technologies that we are going to teach here in this particular course. What is the course unique features? What are the job roles that you can apply for after completion of this training, and the course curriculum, and the course curriculum. And the timings and the fee structure. Okay, so everything is mentioned here very clearly on our website. Got it? I'll be sharing this link as well with you. So if you want to know more about our training, you can just visit this page. Okay, so before handovering the session to trainer, so I just want to give you some more information very clearly. So I'll just take another 2 minutes. And I'll be providing you the complete information on our program. So this is a generative AI professional certification training. So this training the training duration will be 60 days. Okay, just try to be with me till end of the session. You are going to get some special offers as well. You have seen here the price and everything, right? Okay, the price is 35,000 rupees for this program. But if you can stay connected with me till end of the session, you are going to get some special offer today. Got it? At the end of the session, we are going to unlock some special offer. This offer is available for only students who attended the demo, who attended this introduction session. Only for them, this offer will be available. Got it? Yes. So this course duration is 2 months. Okay, weekly 5 days, Saturday and Sunday is holiday. From Monday to Friday, we have classes. And daily we have two batches here. Daily we have 2 batches, morning and evening. The morning batch is from 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. IST, 1 hour. And the evening batch is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST. Whatever the content we delivered in the morning session, the same content will be repeated in the evening session also. This is one of the beautiful thing that we are providing here. Okay, so no other institute can provide you in this way. So whatever the content we delivered in the morning, the same content will be again delivered in the live in the evening also. Even see, if there is a no restriction for you, there is a only priority one. If you are daily joining the morning batch, you can join morning. See, if suppose today you missed the class in the morning, then what you can do, you can join today evening session. Got it? In this way, we have 2 timings here. One is in the morning 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. IST, and evening 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST. Okay, these are the timings. And in this course, we are going to cover around 7 real-time projects. On each and every module, we are going to do 7 real-time projects here, and daily will be given the assignments. Each and every session. Suppose if you have missed both morning and evening classes today, you'll get the recording. Okay, you'll get the recording as well. The same day, the recording will be also uploaded in the website. So you can access these recordings for lifetime. The batch is started today. Today is the introduction class. The batch is started today. You can see here in the website also, we have mentioned about the batch date and everything. New batch starting on 14th July. Okay, so the batch is started today, and these are the registration numbers. If you want to get connected with us for the registration process, you can just contact us on these numbers. I have just shared the complete information in the chat also. Okay, you can use these numbers and you can connect with us. Got it? Yes. At the end of the session, again, I'm going to explain you about how to register, what is the process for the registration, and what is the course price. Each and everything I'll be helping you at the end of the session. Just to stay connected. Okay. Before handovering the session to trainer, to get today's session recording and material, please share your name and WhatsApp number. I can see many of the people are from different country as well. So please share with country code. Okay. While sharing your number, please share with country code. Got it? If you are from India, then not a problem. So you can just share your direct number. If you are not from India, please share your WhatsApp number with country code. You can start sharing in the chat, sorry, in the Zoom chat. Okay, so we will be adding you to the group as well. There is a group. I hope like many people have already joined the group already while submitting the form. So you got the things right. Okay, so like many people have already joined the group. So if you haven't joined yet, just drop your name and WhatsApp number. My team will get connected with you and they'll share the complete WhatsApp group link and the course curriculum, everything they'll share it with you. Okay, yes. We'll take a sharp 1 minute break. We'll take a sharp 1 minute break. Just start sharing your numbers. Start sharing your numbers. We can go ahead for that. Sharp 1 minute. So you can start sharing your name and WhatsApp number. Okay. So we can add you to the WhatsApp group as well, and you'll get today's session recording also. Thank you so much for sharing your name and WhatsApp numbers. I can see still some people are sharing. You can keep sharing. Okay, the chat will be open. You can keep sharing, and so like once after completion of trainer's explanation, again we are going to give you the unmute option as well. Whatever the questions you have, okay, whatever the questions you have, you can unmute yourself and you can ask. Initially, like I have muted you all the people. Okay, so just to stay connected with us, we'll give you the unmute access also. Okay, so just stay connected. I'm handling the session to our trainer, Tabassum Garu. Tabassum Garu, over to you, please. I can see still people are sharing the numbers. You can keep sharing, not a problem. Okay, you can keep sharing, please.
Hello, good evening, everyone. So this is Tabassum. Actually, I'm a Genai architect and corporate trainer with 10 plus years of experience where I'm working with different domains like healthcare, finance, and banking, and many more. So, and also as a corporate trainer, I'm training many of the students and also even working professionals who can upskill themselves and to become a Gen AI developer, Gen AI architect, or even the data scientist, or different roles. So, guys, today we are here to discuss about what exactly the generative AI is about and all those things. So, before starting up the session, let me know how many of you know exactly about the Gen AI, what we will do in Gen AI. Anyone? Just everyone will be having the access to chat box, right? Just give me the introduction. What exactly the Gen AI is about? Anyone, guys? What is Gen AI? Anyone? What is Gen AI? Mm, okay, no. Create text, image, audio. Okay, so no idea about. Okay, how does reason service training artificial intelligence? Okay, generative AI tool. Create text, image, audio, video. Generative AI helps to create models with human intelligence. Okay, with communication. Okay, AI which can generate the content. Okay. Very good. So see guys here, generative AI is nothing but which is used to generate the content like whether it is a text, whether it is an image, even audio or video. Okay. So what is generative AI? Generative AI is used to generate the content like text, image, audio, and even video. Okay, audio and video. So this is what exactly the Gemini is about. So can anyone name some of the like a high demand models that we are currently using in the market in our day-to-day tasks? Anyone? So let me see the chat box. The best, exactly. ChatGPT, very good, very good. ChatGPT, Grok, GPT, exactly. ChatGPT. Okay, Cloud.ai. Okay, Gemini, very good, very good. Yes, DeepSeek. Okay. So guys, as come to the Gemini models, we will be having the ChatGPT, Gemini, Gemma, Llama model, and we will be having Grok, Cloud, Titan, Midjourney, Sora, DALI. So these are the different Gemini models which we are using in the current market. Models used in Gemini. What are the different models we are using in Gemini? That is Grok, Gemini, Gemma, okay, Chat GPT, GPT model, and also we are using Titan, DeepSeek, okay, Cloud, Sora, Titan, already we had mentioned, right? Midjourney, and even DALI. So these are the some of the models which we are using in this generative AI, guys. Okay. The main purpose of generative AI is nothing but which is used to generate the content. So let's understand what are the different applications of this particular GenAI models. By using the GenAI models, what we are going to do. So we are going to work with the text applications. We are going to build the text to text applications. And also if we can build the email writing, we can build the product recommendation, the product suggestions, and even it will diagnose the patient records as come to the healthcare. Even in finance department, we can easily like understand whether a person is capable for like a loan, eligible for loan or not, whether he is having the capacity to pay the loan repayment or not, everything, okay, by checking the CIBIL score or whatever it may be, okay. Everywhere, wherever you will be having a data, everywhere you're going to build some kind of the model so that you can improve in your particular businesses, okay. To perform, to make your task very easily, we are going to use the like a GPT like models, not only the GPT, many different AI models, okay. So let's understand the applications of Gemini. Okay, so as come to the applications of Gemini models, we can build the text applications. Okay, and we can suggest the product recommendations, and even we can also like diagnose the patient records or reports, okay. And even we can perform the sentiment analysis, whether the review is positive, negative, or neutral. I'll explain you each and every concept where we can use these things, okay. So guys, see, like imagine that you are having a client, guys, okay. So from imagine that is a e-commerce, okay, where you are going to work with Amazon or whatever it may be, okay. So in Amazon, what we will do, whenever you had opened that particular application, you will be having some recommend. So like I want to like look for shoes, I want to look for some kurtis, I want to look for some clothes, chunnis or chudidars or whatever it may be, right? So what you will do, first of all, you will open that particular application, right? Whatever the application you want to use. Once the application has been opened, you will search, right? Search for the product, whatever the product you want, right? So search for the product. Once you had closed the search of the product and you had seen many different products and you had closed the product, imagine, okay. So after, whenever again you are opening that particular application, what exactly happens? Based on your recent searches, it will recommend the products, guys, okay. It will recommend the products because you had previously watched that particular history. That's the reason why it will be recommended to you. So how exactly the recommendation engine will work? So based on the natural language processing, okay. To become the Gen AI, first of all, you will be having some foundational topics as foundational models that should be very much important to become the Gen AI developer, guys, or even the Gen AI developer or whatever it may be. So the NLP will plays a major role. Okay, so let's understand to recommend the products, what exactly we need, guys. That is NLP. NLP is nothing but it is a natural language process. What is it? Natural language processing. That's exactly what the recommending the product means. Okay. So once the recommendation has done, not only in this particular application, wherever you will be having data, wherever you are performing your day-to-day task, everywhere the data will be generated, and everywhere the suggestions, the recommendations, the requirements, whatever it may be, it will be on the flow. So imagine I'm having I'm using the same Amazon, guys. Okay, I'm using same Amazon. Okay, so I had searched for the products, searched for products. Now I had closed that application. Okay, now I had opened YouTube. What I had done, I had opened YouTube. So whenever I'm using that particular YouTube, I want to play some song. I want to play some song. So I'm playing some like a song like okay, imagine that I'm playing some song. Before playing a song, we will get some ad, right? So that ad will be related to your recent searches. What you have searched in Amazon, you have searched for some kurtis. Okay, so whenever you had opened your YouTube and you are searching for some you want to watch some like a songs or whatever it may be. So in between you will get the ad, right? That ad will be related to your particular search history. Why exactly the things will happen? To influence you. What is it? To influence you. So why it was influencing? Influencing because because for sales. The main goal, once you had searched the products, or not only the product, whatever it may be, whatever the task it may be. So here the marketing strategy will plays a major role, guys. Okay, so the particular, so you're the customer who are looking for some particular products, so that products will be influenced you with some particular ads. So based on that, the marketing was playing a major role, and so you was influenced with that particular video or whatever it may be, so that you will start buying the products or whatever it may be. That means here the marketing strategies will place it. So for example, I'm the person who was looking the clothes for my kids, guys. Okay, marketing strategy. Marketing strategy. This here we are getting the marketing strategies, guys. Okay, so for example, not only this to not only to influence the sales, even if you are using different things. Okay, so even if you are using like a different, what's say Agio, I'm using the Agio application where I'm going to work with some different things like in Agio, I want to buy the some kids clothes. Okay, so kids clothes. Even I had opened any of the social media application, any application, whether it is Instagram, whether it is a Facebook, okay, etc. Whether it is a Facebook or etc. So what exactly happens whenever I had opened that application, I'll get some particular marketing related sponsored. Okay, like one particular account related to sponsored. There I can see a geo related whether we are having any sales low budget. Okay, low price. If the price has been decreased, everything has done. So here also we will get the recommendations, the suggestions related to the product. Okay, everything was showing because my searches are my interest is in that. So the marketing strategy, what exactly happening here, what the NLP is doing. So based on my recommendation, whatever the applications I'm using over there, everywhere it was blinking on this. So exactly the NLP, everything, the recommendation engine will be working on the natural language processing. So before understanding about the generative AI, let me make you understand about the ML, DL, and NLP. These are the core concepts, guys. Okay, so these will be plays a major role. These will be the core concepts. So let me make you understand first about the machine learning. What exactly the machine learning? What exactly the deep learning? What exactly the NLP is about? Okay. NLP user. Okay, ML plus AI. Very good, Mahesh. And okay, so see guys, so let's understand what exactly the ML is about. So ML is nothing but it is a machine learning. Just a second, guys. Okay, so machine learning. What is ML? It is nothing but machine. learn. Okay. So what exactly we'll do in machine learning? So here in machine learning, it learns from the past data. It learns from the past data and predicts the future values. What it is? And predicts the future values. That's exactly what the machine learning will do. Okay. So it will train according to the past data, whatever we have provided. Based on that, it will predicts the future values, because that's exactly what the machine learning will do. Okay. So in this machine learning, we will be having different types. Okay. So we will be having supervised learning. Okay. So we will be having unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning. And one more thing, that is reinforcement. What is it? Reinforcement. So we'll be having three different types, like supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Okay, let me make you understand what supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement is about. So supervised is nothing but whenever your data, your target, your dependent, or your output variable is continuous data. Okay, then you're going to use the supervised learning algorithms. What is it? When your data, your target value, or whatever it may be. So your target or your dependent or your output variable. What is it? Output variable is continuous data. Okay, if it is continuous data, then you're going to work with this particular algorithms. Okay, that is nothing but the regression. I'm not mentioning all the algorithms over here. So here you're going to work with this regression algorithms. Okay, regression. Okay, and again, as come to your target or your dependent or your output variable is like a categorical. What is it? Categorical. If it is categorical, then you're going to work with this particular algorithm. That is nothing but the classification. Okay. So here, whenever you're working with regression and classification, you need to make sure that it should be a supervised learning. How exactly you can identify it is a supervised learning? That is nothing but it completely focus on label data. Can anyone tell me what is label data, guys? What is label data? The chart box. What is label data? Anyone? Anyone? Priya, target label. Okay. Any more answers? Okay, see guys. So supervised learning is nothing but where we are going to focus on, okay, real data. Uh, Data point has specific label. Okay. Real data, known values. Okay. Okay, guys. Supervised learning is nothing but label data in the sense structured data. Okay. What is it? Structured data. Structured data is nothing but which will be having input and output values. What is it? Input and output. That is nothing but independent or dependent. That is nothing but feature or target. Okay. We will be having different names like input or output, target, like a feature or target, or even independent or dependent. Okay. Like nothing but the tabular format. Very good, guys. Okay. So in supervised learning, we will be focusing on two different types, that is regression and classification. As come to regression algorithms, our output variable should be continuous. As come to classification algorithms, our output variable should be categorical. Okay. At this particular scenario, we will use the supervised learning algorithms. So as come to unsupervised learning, when we are going to use this unsupervised learning, whenever our data is unlabeled, that is nothing but unstructured. That means only independent variables will be available here. Okay, unstructured data in the sense only independent values will be available over here. So in this unsupervised learning, we will be having two types, that is clustering. What is it? Clustering. And also one more thing, that is association rule learn. Okay, what is it? Association rule learning. As come to the clustering is something which will makes into the similar groups of objects. What it will do? It will do the similar group of objects. As come to association rule learning, we can completely focuses on I'll give you the use case, that is nothing but market basket analysis. What is it? Market basket analysis. Okay, it is nothing but whenever one particular customer has bought some particular products, there is also a chances of buying another customer the same product. Okay, that is exactly what the market basket analysis is about. Like these can be used mainly used in like some D-Marts, Reliance, Smart, like these kind of the things. Okay, so this is how exactly we can work, guys. Okay. So as come to unsupervised learning, we had seen the clustering algorithms and association rule learning. In clustering, we will be having different types like K-means clustering, hierarchy clustering, and all those things. So if I tell all those things here, then you will be very confused. So let's stop till here. So as come to, we'll be having one more thing, that is reinforcement. What exactly the reinforcement is about? So reinforcement is nothing but it is like a feedback learning, guys. Okay. Imagine directly I'm telling about the agent, guys. Okay, if you're having agent, like imagine that you're having the agent like a vacuum cleaner. Okay, what the vacuum cleaner do? What the role of vacuum cleaner? Anyone in the chat box? Anyone in the chat box? uh okay, dust, removing dust. Okay, very good. Okay, cleaning dust. Okay. Very good, guys. So reinforcement. So I'll give you the best example. See, I'm having the agent that is vacuum cleaner. Okay. So what the main role of that particular vacuum cleaner? It should clean the dirt, or it should clean some like a dust area, rooms, or whatever it may be. Okay. So whenever I had instructed that particular agent to clean the room, first what it will do, it will check the entire environment. Okay, first of all it focus on the entire environment. It will checks with the camera, so like it will detect the object, like whether we are having doors, whether we are having any of the cupboards or anything, whether mat or whether door or whether wall or whatever it may be. First of all it will make sure, that is nothing but it was grabbing the data from the environment, so that it will be very careful. Okay, so why it should be careful? Because whenever for example, so I had kept that particular vacuum cleaner aside and it was started at work. So before, without like grabbing the data, it was directly cleaning the room. So it was gone that side and it was hit to the wall. What exactly happens? It will affected, right? The vacuum cleaner, the agent, the product will be affected. So if it affected, what exactly happens? It will get the penalty. Okay, that is nothing but the learning. Like it is nothing but it is like a feedback learning, guys. Okay, I will give one more example to understand very clearly. It is a feedback learning. Okay, so whatever the right action you had done, so for every right action you will get the reward, and for every wrong action you will get the penalty. What is it? You'll get the penalty. That's exactly what the, for every wrong action you will get the penalty. Okay, so this is exactly what the reinforcement learning is about. So let me take you one more example. For example, I'm having a e-commerce application. Imagine that I'm having e-commerce application, that is Amazon, guys. Okay, in Amazon, whenever someone has ordered some particular products, they will give you the reviews, right? The ratings or reviews or whatever it may be, reviews or ratings. Okay, so once the review has given the product is fantastic, the product is fantastic, the product is not as I had imagined fantastic. Okay, so we are giving some particular statements, guys. Okay, the different reviews. Based on this reviews, what exactly the Amazon will do? So it will improve the product quality, or if there is any issue in the delivery, it will reduce that particular problem. Based on the feedbacks it will learns, right? So if for every right action, for example, if we have got the positive reaction, then we'll get the reward, that is nothing but the sales. Okay, so for example, our product is dirty, our product quality is not good, our product delivery system is not very fast. Okay, like if they at the particular scenario, what exactly happens? We will face the loss, that is nothing but the penalty. Okay, Okay, so whatever the wrong things we had done, based on that we'll get the penalty. Whatever the right actions we had done, based on that we'll get the reward. This is how exactly the things will work. Okay, according, I had taken the example of Amazon. Not only that, so even many things like for example, I'm having a healthcare, I'm working in the healthcare. Okay, I had the different patients records. So based on the similar like a disease or similar things, similar reports, what I will do, I have instructed some particular, so it is nothing but the patterns. Okay, so based on the reports of the customers, I am finding some particular patterns, that is whether a customer, whether a particular patient is cured in how many days, or based on in her or his like what say the immune system, what kind of the dosage I need to provide so that the person can be cured. So everything will be depend on the data, guys. Okay, so we need to make sure and we need to be very clear to perform some specific tasks. So that is nothing but the finding the pattern. So let me give you now the what exactly the GenAI definition is about. GenAI definition is nothing but it is used to generate the content based on the patterns that learns from the ML. What is it? From the ML. ML is nothing but machine learning. Okay, whenever you are using the machine learning, it consists of different algorithms based on the data. So based on that, we will use any one particular algorithm. So there we can find the accuracy and whatever required, and we can understand whether the model, whatever we are going to suggest or whatever the things we are going to do, whether it is perfect or not. Okay, everything will be done over here. So let me give you the life cycle of the ML so that it will be very clear. So whenever you're having any of the business problem, guys, okay, use case or any business problem, first of all, what we need to do, we need to have so see guys, ML lifecycle is nothing but, for example, first what it will do. So according to the business problem or according to the use case, first of all, we need to collect the data, guys. Okay, the data collection is very much important. Okay, without the data, we cannot do anything. Okay, once the data has been collected, then we need to prepare the data according to the business requirement. What we will do? Prepare the data according to the business requirement. Okay, based on the use case, what we are going to do, what kind of the suggestions or what kind of the recommendations we need to do. So once the collection and preparation has done, that is nothing but the pre-processing, all the pre-processing has done, then we will train the model. What we will do, we will train the model with the data. Okay, whatever the data we will be having. So train the model. Once the model got trained, we will test the model whether it was giving the accurate results or not. Once the testing has done, we will check the accuracy of the model. What is it? Accuracy of the model. So collecting the data, preparing the data, pre-processing, including the cleaning also, guys. Okay, everything will be done in the pre-processing, and then we'll train the model, we'll test the model, we'll find the accuracy, and finally we will predict the future values. Predict the future values. Okay, this is how exactly the life cycle of the ML will be, guys. Okay, to predict the future values. Once the prediction has done, we'll deploy the model. This is how exactly the things will goes on in machine learning. Okay, as come to deep learning, what exactly the deep learning? So to become the GenAI developer, so you need to have the core concepts, you need to have the knowledge on this ML, DL, and NLP. Then only you're going to work with the LLM models, guys. Okay, so here GenAI is nothing but generating the new content. Okay, so how we are going to generate the content? What is the main requirement, guys? What we need? What exactly we need to like generate the content? Anyone? Anyone in the chat box? Exactly, data. Without data, we cannot do anything. Very good, data and models. Very good, guys. So see, so without data, we cannot do anything, right? So for that particular scenario, we need the machine learning, we need the deep learning, we need the natural language processing. These three things are very much important to become the GenAI developer, guys. Okay. So here, let's understand now about the deep learning. Okay, the data is nothing but it is a information, right? If you are having information, it will train according to the information, whatever the things we had given to it, and it will learn from it, and it will find the patterns whenever we had given some specific data or prompt. So to the ChatGPT or to DALI or to Sora, to Midjourney or to Grok or whatever it may be. So based on the prompt, it will gives you the result. How exactly the result is getting on? So let me open the ChatGPT. See. So let me go to the Google account. Let me open the ChatGPT. So here I'm asking some specific prompt. Build the code for calculate. Okay, let me hit enter. So see guys, within fraction of seconds, it was giving me the output. So because these particular GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, these model has been trained with billions of the tokens, that is nothing but the billions of the data guys. Okay. So by having this particular data, whenever I had asked some specification based on the, it will gives you the result within fraction of seconds. That is how the beauty of these GPT models, not only the GPT, the remaining like Grok or whatever it may be. Okay. So this is how exactly the things will work on. So let me now explain you. Okay, so we had done with the entire machine learning, right? So let's go with the deep learning. What exactly the deep learning is about? So anyone, what is deep learning? What do you know about deep learning? So already we had seen machine learning is nothing but from the past data, it predicts the future values. What exactly the deep learning is about? Understanding neural networks, ANN. Okay, very good. You're somewhat good at Gemini. Okay, so deep learning is nothing but exactly it will work like a human brain. However, the human's brain will works exactly the deep learning will also work, guys. Okay, how the human brain will works? How the human brain will works? Anyone? Anyone? Analyze data and learns patterns, neurons, exactly. So how exactly our human brain will work, guys? Based on the neurons. Likewise, the deep learning will also works. It mimics like a human brain. Okay. So for example, so how our human brain will works, guys? For example, I'm having some hot water, guys. Okay. So there is a hot water. What I had done, I had kept my hand on hot water. Okay. What exactly happens? My hand will burns, right? So my brain will pass signals to my hand that your hand is burning in the hot water. Just remove the hand. See how exactly happening? So my brain is passing some signals to my like organs so that I can, so it was instructing, right? So my brain is instructing. So based on the neurons, my brain is instructing to do this thing, to do that thing, or whatever it may be. Okay, how exactly the things will happening based on the neurons? That is nothing but the deep learning will works on neural networks. What is it? Neural networks. Everything will depends on the neural networks, guys. Okay, as come to the machine learning here, first of all, whenever the input has given, so first what it will do, so it will extract, the feature extraction will be done. Okay. After the feature extraction, we'll choose one specific algorithm and we will analyze everything and analyze the data or whatever it may be. And finally, we'll reach to one specific output, right? This is how exactly the ML will works. As come to deep learning, what exactly happens, how exactly the deep learning will works. First of all, whenever the input layer has been given by the user, the input layer can be converted to hidden layer. Okay. So after the data has given, so it will be having one specific layer that is called as a hidden layer. In this hidden layer, the extraction, the algorithm, the mathematics, the complex problems, everything will be solved inside the hidden layer itself. Okay. So once the entire thing has gone, we'll get the output layer. This is how exactly the deep learning will consist of. In this deep learning, we'll be having different models like artificial neural networks, convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, long short-term memory. Okay, these are the different models involved in this deep learning, and also even transformers. Transformers are nothing but it is also called as a Gemini type, and also it is a modern form of a NLP, guys. Okay, the advanced version of NLP is nothing but trans, where you will be having different models like BERT, GPT, Robota, T5, everything. Okay, by using these specific models, we will perform different tasks like sentiment analysis, summarizer, fact checker, and even many more things. Okay. As come to NLP, what exactly NLP is about? NLP is nothing but natural language processing. What is it? Natural language processing. So where it is mainly used to understand the human terminology. Understands the human terminology. Okay, for that particular scenario, the NLP has been developed. However, the human is giving the answers or responses exactly. Likewise, the generative AI should give the response. That's the reason why the NLP has been built. Already, we had seen some examples related to NLP. That is nothing but the recommendation engine. How exactly the recommendation engine will work? Whether it is anything, guys. Okay, so imagine that I'm having a Netflix OTT platform where I'm going to watch different movies. Okay, in that Netflix platform, we are having different OTT movies, right? So in that, what exactly happens? So for example, I'm searching for comedy movies. Okay, first time I had searched for comedy movies. I had watched one comedy movie. So imagine that is F3. Okay, so after watching the comedy movies, I had closed that application and again I had opened that application. So once I had opened that application, what it will suggest me? It will suggest me some recommended movies related to the comedy, because previously I had watched some F3 movie that is a comedy movie, so that it will recommend me some other comedy movie so that I can enjoy it. Okay. This is every time, whatever the platform or whatever the application we are using, it should satisfy the customer. Okay. How exactly the customer will satisfy is based on the relevant information, right? So this is how exactly the things will happen with respect to the NLP. Not only this, guys, even Rapido, Ola, all these things. So, okay, imagine I want to travel from Amirpet to Dilshuk Nagar, guys. Okay, so I'm having a meeting in Dilshuk Nagar. So if I started now, I need to reach by 7:30 or whatever it may be. Okay, I need to. I can't able to go to like auto stand. I can wait for auto or whatever it may be, or else I need to go to the metro. It is a long process, right? So now what I will do, I will book Ola or Rapido, and within fraction of seconds, I'll get the results. Like Ola or whatever it may be, the thing will get to me. So how exactly that things will happen? So one particular customer is waiting in this particular location. So whoever opened the Rapido, there will be a K nearest. Here the algorithm will plays a major role. The machine learning algorithm will plays a major role. That is K nearest neighbors. Okay. Those who are nearer to your location, that will be blinked to those people only. Okay. If they are very far, they need to travel from that particular location. The Rapido person will travel from that particular location to, and if he reach to this particular location, the time will be that. It is a time taken process, right? So whoever nearest to that particular location, Amirpet location, there will be blinked to them, and they will accept that particular location where wherever they want to reach the customer or the customer requirement, and the things will happen exactly like this. How the things are. So here the customer should satisfied within fraction of seconds, right? So the thing is, so every time, whatever the application we are using, so the results should be immediate. Or not only that, if you are using some, if you want to open some ICICI bank account, guys, okay. So what you will do, just you will go to like a Chrome and you will search for ICICI bank, okay, financial services. So here I had opened some particular ICICI bank, and we will be having, I want to like ask some specific questions, how to open a savings account book, or how to apply for credit card or whatever it may be. I need to get the results immediately. For example, there is a person, okay, if person is operating the customer services, then it will be a late process, right? So here we will be having a chart board, okay, the AI assistant. By using this particular thing, within fraction of seconds we'll get the results, right? So I want to create a savings account, guys, okay. So whatever the what you want to open the passbook or whatever, how can I upload the, so what kind of the suggestions you want, it will be having some specifics. I want to open my savings account, okay. So thank you for your interest in opening savings account with ICICI bank. Please click here. It was showing me the link, right? So by clicking on this particular link, I can easily open my savings account without going to my bank, right? So how exactly happening within fraction of second? The customer is satisfying. He want to open the ICICI bank account. So if the like results are not immediate, then what exactly happens? The ICICI bank will lose one customer, right? So this is how exactly the things will happen, guys. So to build this chart board, the generative AI, the models, the Gen AI models will play a major role. If you want to build some specific related data or your personal confidential information, then you need to use the RAG concept, guys. You need to upload some particular documents and you need to train your specific model according to it. So by using the like a pre-trained models, and you can integrate that and you can fine tune based on your use case, and you can easily deploy that particular model based on your requirement, guys. Okay, this is the things how exactly the things will happen. Okay, the Google Translator, sorry, it's really interesting, I can't miss but office work. Okay, guys, no problem. Guys, is my voice is clear? I think some people are not clear with my voice. Yes. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Uh, are you facing any issue? No, it's okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for confirmation. So this is how exactly the things will happen within immediate. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So, as come to the chatbot, not only the ICICI Bank, finance, e-commerce, manufacturing, healthcare, everywhere, wherever you will be having a data, there we can build the chatbots or customer assistance or customer services related thing. Okay, to get the information or to get the quick responses, so that the customer will not get irritated or whatever it may be. Okay, this is how exactly the things will work based on the human terminology or NLP, the recommendation engine, everything. Okay, so okay, guys. Now let's move to the Gemini. Already I had told you Gemini is nothing but generating the new content based on all these flows. Okay, all these whether it is a natural language processing, like a human terminology, understanding the human terminology, or whether it is so however the human brain works based on that the neural networks will works, or even the machine learning based on the patterns, it will give you the results. Okay, this is how exactly the things will happen as come to the generative AI. Already we had seen the different models like GPT and all those things. By using these API keys, the different like models API keys, we can build our own chatbots, or else our own chat GPT like models. Okay, like models. Okay, so that is nothing but the development. Not only this, guys, but if you are aware of this particular Gemini model, how to develop the code, then you can easily become the Gemini architect too. Okay, so you can also build the frameworks like LangChain, LangGraph, so that the task will be very more easy. Okay, so by using these particular graphs, we can also build the multi agents where based on the requirement, based on the user prompt, what kind of the agent should respond. Okay, so we can also build all these different things. As come to the curriculum, what you are going to learn in this particular session, so some people will be from non-IT background, some people will be from non-IT back testing too, they want to move to AI. There will be different background peoples. For that particular scenario, we are going to start from very scratch, guys, from Python. Okay, the scratch concepts from Python. Okay, so the basics of the Python, where where you are going to learn the variables, data types. Okay, and even conditional statements, loopings, functions, exception handling, all those things. Once you are aware of all the Python topics, then you are going to move with the advanced Python, where you are going to learn with the different libraries like NumPy. Okay, numerical Python, pandas, which is used to collect the data and all those things, matplotlib, which is used to visualize, and even cbon, which is used to visualize, scikit-learn, which is used to work with the machine learning algorithms. Okay, scikit-learn. Okay, and also pytorch, tensorflow, keras to work with the deep learning, tensorflow, Keras. Okay. So to work with the deep learning, as come to the natural language processing, we are using the NLTK, okay, natural language toolkit, where we are going to use all those things. And to recommend the engine, so we will be having cosine similarity, TF-IDF, cosine, let me give you cosine similarity, TF-IDF, okay. Mm, mm. There are session. So advanced Python, once we had learned about all these things, then we can move with the machine learning, because these are the core concepts, like all the algorithms. We are going to learn all the algorithms in this, even the mathematics and statistics also included in this, guys, because for every algorithm, you will be having some math and stat. So you are going to learn that also. And then we are going to learn with the different models related to the deep learning, and like image processing or object detection or whatever it may be, NLP, the recommendation engine, how exactly the recommendation engine will works. Okay, if you want the curriculum, entire things what you're going to learn in the ML, DL, NLP, then you can take the curriculum from the Raj Cloud Technologies website. Okay, and then you will start the Gemini, where you're going to build the different like models. Okay, the Gemini models, whether it is a like a different types of the use cases, and here you are going to work with the RAG concept, LangChain, how to use the LangChain, how to use the Lang graph. Okay, where you are going to build a where you are going to connect multiple agents, okay, LangGraph, and also you're going to work with MCP, that is Modern Context Protocol, and also you're working with the chunking strategies, because these chunking strategies will be very much important, because or whatever the data, whatever the sentence you will be having, everything will be divided into the chunks, guys. Okay, so you will understand whenever you are working with the RAG concept. So the chunking strategies, the embeddings, the vector databases, everything will plays a major role. Okay, vector embeddings. Okay, హలో హలో చెప్పండి. Okay, okay, thank you very much. So see guys, here we are going to learn about the vector embeddings and vector databases. Okay, vector databases, okay, all these things, and also we are going to understand about some of the concepts that how to deploy these particular models, where we can build the application like things. Okay, so we're going to do many things, guys. Let me show you so the main concept in GenAI is nothing but the RAG, guys, which is very much important, because whenever you're working in different companies, at any cost they need some particular chart boards, where you will get the accurate results from different documents. You cannot search each and every document, right? So I'll show you one use case how exactly you can work with it. Let me open my hmm, command prompt. There it is. Let me check just a second. Okay, so don't bother about all these things. We can discuss each and everything very well once you are in this particular sessions. So once the virtual environment has been created, we'll activate the scripts and we'll install the dependencies, whatever required to run the RAG concept, and then we can just execute that application, how exactly it will looks like. So pip install. Okay. So because I'm deploying it in Streamlit with the help of the framework Streamlit, where it will build the applications. Okay. It will be used for testing and all those things. How exactly our things are, how our model is working on and all those things. Okay. Uh, so it will take somewhat time. So once it was run, it will. Let me once check the requirements. What I need to install Streamlit sentence transform. IRC. So once it was run, what you need to do, you need to install whatever the requirements you need, and then yeah, it will open the application, guys. Mm, It was taking a lot of time. Okay. Guys, if you're having any questions, whatever it may be, then you can ask. So till the code is going to run, so you can ask your questions in the meanwhile. Oh,
Tapsum, just a second. If you have done with your explanation, I'll just give them the unmute option as well.
okay, okay. You can give the unmute
Yeah.
option.
Hi everyone, this is Karthik again. So I have given you the unmute option as well. So whatever the questions you're having, you can just like unmute yourself and you can ask the questions. If you're unable to unmute, you can text also in the chat.
Sir, can you give any hands-on training? Hands-on training.
Yes, we'll provide you the hands-on training till the deployment also. So on each and every concept, whatever we are dealing with, you'll get the hands-on experience on that particular concept and the
Great.
projects also, like with the different use cases. And we also build the different agents and chatbots, chat GPT like models. Okay, the sentiment analysis and all those things.
They are going with a LLM only.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, yes, guys.
Yeah, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, so does coding required for learning Gemini?
Yes, coding also required. The Python coding will be mandatory for becoming the Gemini developer, guys. Okay.
Only for Gemini developer only, or can a business analyst can learn Gemini? I mean, anyone
Yes,
can learn, but in
anyone
how
can
come?
learn the GenAI. So you want to upskill, you want to include the GenAI in your particular business analyst role, or you want to completely shift into the GenAI developer?
No, I want to add. So I want to see how a business analyst will get used to Gemini, like how a Gemini would be beneficial to a business analyst, in what way?
Yes, okay. Yes. So see, guys, as come to your specific question, what we can do is based on the prompt, what the business analyst will do, he will he will be having different by using the different tools like Power BI, Tableau, or SQL database, or whatever it may be. By using these things, they will create some particular dashboards, right? That's your exactly the work of business analyst, I guess so, right?
I'm into functional business analyst where I prepare documents like BRD, FRD.
Okay.
So yeah, which included use case diagrams and process flow diagrams. So basically, that document includes such of models which make the developers and testers to code or test. And also it also consists of UI models as well, like prototyping by using
Okay.
Figma and Balsamiq. So that document and that user stories would help the technical team to code. So in
Yes,
that
I
way,
got
so
it.
that, yeah. So in that way we do. So that business analyst is like, in some cases, in some scenarios, we use SQL and Power BI, but most of the cases we are mostly into
Like
preparing a heavy
prototyping and preparing
document.
some, yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
documents.
Okay,
Yes.
mainly you will be using for preparing documents. Then you need to go with the prompt engineering. Okay, so how exactly you can give the prompt so that it will gives you some particular suggestions or whatever it may be. So based on that particular information, you can build very more so that the coders or the testers easily can understand and they can develop the code according to it.
Okay.
So if you want to completely upskill yourself to the Gen AI development or like without coding, if you want to go, then you need to take the prompt engineering. It will be very beneficial to business analysts with prompt engineering. Okay. So the
Okay.
main focus on AI, including integrating AI, is nothing but so you can have the a capability to ask GPT model anything so that it will gives you the respond according to it. Okay. So for that particular scenario, without coding, if you want to learn something, then you can go with the prompt engineering.
Okay. Prompt engineering. So prompt engineering doesn't require coding, right?
No,
If I'm
no.
not wrong.
So you need to
Oh,
focus on some particular theory, how exactly you need to give the prompt, so effective prompt, so that the LLM can respond according to it.
okay. Okay. Great. Great. Fine. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Any more
ma'am.
questions, guys? We have a PG diploma course or like PG course, also general is equivalent to PG course. Any more questions, guys? To drop you.
Good evening.
We have few questions in the chat actually here.
Yes, I'm checking.
This course module, like model building and deployment will be there.
Yes, yes, already I had responded to that question. Yes, from till building the model to till deployment, you're going to learn in this particular course.
Ma'am, I am
So
audible.
please go ahead. Yeah.
Yes, yes, you are
Yeah.
audible.
Ma'am, you will provide any notes and notes about generative AI? Gemini.
So what?
You will provide any notes
Yes,
in
yes, we'll
Gemini?
provide the day by day note also.
Okay.
Whatever the content. Please give
Okay.
brief about ML curriculum. Yes, as come to ML, I have told you we are going to learn with supervised, unsupervised reinforcement, where you're going to learn with different algorithms related to regression, classification, okay, clustering, and even association rule learning. What type of projects we will do here? Like you will build the ChatGPT like model. You will build how to take how to use the pre-trained models and how to use the open API keys, how to perform the sentiment analysis, how to do the summarizer, how to build the agent, single agent, multi-agent, all these things, okay? And how to build the recommendation engine. These are the projects, different projects which you are going to do. And even the AWS Bedrock, how you can access the foundational models from the AWS Bedrock and you can use it into the Python code so that you can build the GPT-like models, everything is. Any more questions?
Yeah, before taking the next question, I'll just give you some explanation. I said, right, there is some special offer available for you. I'll just like explain you about these details and all. So I have seen like few people have joined a bit late. So I'm just like starting from the first, okay? I'll just like complete in 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, don't worry about that. So the course name is Generative AI Professional Certification Training, and this course duration is 60 days. Okay, this course duration is 60 days. So these are the timings. Like we have two timings actually, both morning and evening. The morning timings are like 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. IST, and the evening timings are 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST. Whatever the content we covered in the morning session, the same content will be covered again in the evening session. So even if you miss the morning class, you can join the evening session. If you miss both morning and evening, then you'll get the recording as well. Got it? You'll get the recording as well. So you don't need to worry about that. So the classes will be like 5 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Monday to Friday, you'll be having classes for the first 1 week or 2 weeks. 1 or 2 weeks initially, we will be having alternative days like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, the first 2 weeks, because like to get the people, so you need to just get the things right. So whatever the things going on here, like whatever the like trial accounts should to be created, so the system requirements to be fulfilled, okay, the complete setup to practice. So to manage all these things, the first 2 weeks, like 1 or 2 weeks, will be going with Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If the people are okay with the 1 week itself, then from the second week itself, it will start like 5 classes a week. If not, the people requires like few more time, I mean some more time, then we can go for 2 weeks alternative days classes. Surely from third week we'll be having 5 days in a week. Got it? And the course price is 35,000 rupees. There is some special offer, I said you, right? There is some special offer available today, I said you, right? Yes. The offer is flat 15% discount. Flat 15% discount on the course. Okay. So if you go for the discount, 35,000 rupees is the course price. After discount, your course price will become 29,750 rupees. And this offer is available only today. This offer is available only today. If you just go to the website also, in the website also, you can see the same things here. Okay, just go to the courses section, Generative AI training. If you just go to the Generative AI training, please stay with me. I'm going to give you some better things at the end of the session. Just stay connected with me, okay? Just go to the Generative AI session, Generative AI page in the courses section. Go to Generative AI trainings. So here you can see two things: morning and evening batch. If you want to join morning batch, you can just click on pay and enroll now in the morning batch. Or if you want to join evening batch, you can click on just pay and enroll now in the evening batch. Okay, there you can see the 15% card discount is available right now. Okay. So this 15% is available for only GenAI training, not other trainings. Only for GenAI training, like we are offering this 15% discount. So the coupon is already applied. So you can just like give your name and mobile number. These are the two payment modes are available here. One is Indian credit debit cards or EMI or UPI kind of things. And the second one is international cards. If you just select Indian cards, you can see 29,700 rupees is the course price. You got the discount of 5,250 rupees. Got it? Yes. In the same way, if you are from other countries, you can just go to the international card, debit card or credit card mode, and you can make the payment here. Got it? This is about the course price and all. And yeah. So in this training, we are going to cover 7 real-time projects. Okay, we are going to cover 7 real-time projects we are going to cover here, and all the sessions, like we are going to provide you the recordings as well. You can access these recordings for lifetime. You can access all these recordings for lifetime. So no need to worry about that. So if I miss the classes, like how it will be. And the beautiful thing here is we don't restrict our students to join for only one batch or only like registered batch or something kind of this. You have a freedom to join either morning or evening class. Okay, the aim is you should attend any one class in a day, surely. Okay, if you have time. Okay, so like probably like you have time for both morning and evening batches luckily, then what you can do, you can attend both also. You can attend both also. Attend the morning class, okay, practice in the afternoon, again connect in the evening again to revise the things. You can go ahead, not a problem. There is no restriction for you at all. Got it? Yes. And we have only 30 seats. We have only 30 seats. We don't take like a bulk of people as well. Okay, we will be taking only 30 people. Only 30 people. So if you have joined the last class, or if you have seen the like last session, which I have shared the recording as well in the group and everywhere. Okay, so we have given the last we have given the best discount as well in the last demo session, the same discount, and like it is a bit lower this time, 15% discount we are offering this time. Okay, you can get this 15% discount as well, and you can get the things. Got it? For registration, you can just contact us on these numbers. That is 8105296858. You'll get this number as a Raj Informatica. And the second one is 636163810. You'll get this number as a Raj Cloud Technologies. If you receive any information, from these two numbers, you can blindly believe that, okay, this is a genuine information from Raj Cloud Technologies. Got it? I have just like shared these two contact numbers in the chat. You can go ahead with that. Okay. If you want to go for the payment, so if you want to go for the UPI payment, if you want to opt for the UPI, here is the UPI details for you. Here is the UPI details. See, daily UPI details will be changing on daily basis. Okay. So for today, the UPI details are Pawan Kumar. The banking name is Pawan Kumar. I'm just like sharing these banking details with you. Okay, you can use this number and you can pay the fee and you can just get back to us on this number. Got it? Yes. For more details, you can just like visit our page razinformatica.com/generative AI. razinformatica.com/generative AI. I'm just sharing the link as well here in the chat. Yes, I have shared the link in the chat. So, and these are the course things, like whatever we are covering in the course, you can see all the things here. Okay, there is no prerequisites required. There is no prerequisites required. Okay, so we will give you the complete things here. Okay, we will give you the complete things from the basics of Python. Everything will be given to you. Yes, the partial payment is also available. You can contact us on this number so that like my team can help you on this. Okay, you can just contact us on this number. My team can help you on this. We are a team of 6 people. Myself, Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. I am the team lead and operational head here. So I'll be helping you for the career guidance and how many years of experience that you wanted to go with. So how to get the experience things. For all these things, like you can contact me. For the registrations or you are having any technical doubts or something else, you can just connect us on these 2 numbers. My team will be there. We are a team of 6 people. So all the 6 people will be helping you on this. And we will be available from morning 8 a.m. to morning 8 a.m. IST to 11 p.m. IST. 11 p.m. IST, we will be available. So even I'll be available till 12 and 1 o'clock also. But these are our working timings. 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. will be our working timings. Got it? So I said you right, for today's price is 29,750 rupees is the today's offered price. Okay, you got 15% discount. The course price is 35,000 rupees. Okay, and this is a discount that we are offering 15%. So after 15% flat discount, the course price is 29,750 rupees. Got it? As I said, we accept only 30 slots. Okay, not more than that. So if you reach out me like after 30 slots, you will be joining for the next batch only. Okay, got it? Yes. So if you still have any questions regarding this, regarding the registrations, regarding the timings or something else, if you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me, or else you can just like text me in the chat also. You can text me in the chat also. Anyone having any questions regarding this? Regarding the course or regarding the like a job assistance or something else? If you have any questions, you can ask me. See, we are from last 4 years, like we are offering all these trainings. Okay. Initially, like we have started with Informatica Power Center, and later on, like we have added all these courses here. Okay. And we have a community of 8,500 plus people who is working in the different technologies in the different companies. Okay. So even if there is any referrals available in their companies, surely we'll be referring the current batch people also. Yeah, Abdul, please go ahead. Like, do you have any question on this?
Yes, Karthik. Is the trainer available? I have just one question.
Please go ahead. Yes.
Yeah, Joseph just wanted to understand, like, in the tools, you're going to the Databricks as well?
So you are asking like particularly like how this GenAI will work for the Databricks, you are asking.
No. Are you going to use Databricks in that as a tool, or will be going with only more, what do you call Bedrock or OpenAI of Azure?
Sure, Abdul. I'll just like connect with your trainer directly. Okay, so what you can do is you can just like text me your WhatsApp number here in the chat. I'll just connect you to the trainer directly, so you can clear with the trainer because the trainer is having some other meeting at 6:30. So she dropped now. Okay, you can just connect with me personally. I can help you to connect with the trainer. Then like you can discuss the complete things with the trainer also. I can see like what are the opportunities for GenAI. So here you can see on the web page, like we have mentioned here, few of job roles like we have mentioned here. That is like GenAI developer, lead data scientist, generative AI architect, NLP engineer, machine learning engineer. These are the few we mentioned here, but there are many things added in the course curriculum and everywhere. You can just check it out. So these are few. So still any questions from anyone? If you are unable to unmute yourself, or if you are if you are in somewhere, like if you cannot unmute, you can text me also. You can text me personally, or you can text me in the group as well. Okay, so that like I can answer your question. So what is the will this course benefits to 15 years experience? Yes, of course. See, nowadays if you see Gemini, so not only Gemini, see the thing is the complete cloud. So you might be on cloud side or not, like I'm not sure about it. If you can help me more about your profile, I can help you more here. Each and every technology is now integrated with the AI. Okay, even if you are from a data analyst, if you are from a data science background, if you are from a like data engineering background, or if you are from an ETL background, or some other tools you are using right now. Okay, so surely there is a connection between you and cloud and generative AI as well. Okay, presently working as ETL background. Yes. So the pipelines, like what are you are building here, what are the like mappings that you are doing here. Okay, so you can do much effectively using AI. See, like many people are offered, like I have just like got many questions on this earlier, like when the batch is about to start and all. So AI is taking the jobs, AI is replacing the people. These many questions, right? So generally, AI will not replace you. Okay, AI will help you to enhance your work process. AI will help you to reduce the time consumption. Okay, so if you have a schedule to do a work of 8 hours or 10 hours, okay, if you do it along with the AI, it will reduce to 1 hour or 2 hours like that. If you are able to learn how this AI works in your current position or the current job role, like what you are doing also, this will help you a lot. This will make you more easier to complete your responsibilities on daily basis.
Yeah, Karthik, it will not replace the employees, but it will reduce the employees.
Yeah, see the thing is, if for sure, like whatever the AI tool it is, okay, so there is a human need for sure, it is there. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that. If you are able to learn the AI tools, like how to utilize, then definitely like you will be in the IT, not a problem.
Yeah, Karthik, I have one more question. Actually, we have PG diploma courses, which is conducted by the IITians or some other institutions are there. Okay, they are conducting that for the course duration for that. Uh, the course duration is, I think so, 1 to 2 years. But here we have only 60 classes. Is it enough for us?
See, the thing here is if you want to prolong, you can take it for 6 months or 8 months, as you said, 2 years also. Okay, so I'll just give a best example for you. So if you want to learn SQL, so we are providing you around like a 3 to 4 days. Whatever the content we are offering from Raj Cloud Technologies is just 3 to 4 days. We are offering some around like 15 to 20 hours of training, so you can learn SQL. But actually, if you want to learn SQL, you can do it for 6 months also. Okay, you can do it for 6 months also, right? So the thing here is we will help you with the major concepts, like what you need to learn and what are the basic needs are there. Okay, so what are the basic things that we need to learn from these major projects, how to do, see the, if you go to the SQL, whatever the major things you needed, like a joins. Okay, so or some other concepts, like what is the important concepts are available for these databases to integrate the things. So these things if you learn, you can easily survive. We cannot teach you each and every command, we cannot teach you each and every query, right? So in the same way, like what we do here is whatever the curriculum built for you. Okay, if you can see, not only the generative AI, we have started with Python. Okay, Python, data structures and algorithms, like with complete basics of Python we have started. So mostly to complete the Python, like we may need one week. Okay, so if we go for 1 week for only Python, so there are only 5 more weeks left. Okay, 7 more weeks left to complete the generative AI. Okay, so whatever the things we have mentioned here, so these things are more than enough to manage your work, or if you want to become a complete generative AI developer also. Okay, so these concepts are more than enough. But still I can see we have a plan to start this Gen AI like around 8 months back also. At that particular time, like we have built a course curriculum, but whatever the course curriculum built at that time is not suitable for now. Like whatever I have added here, I have added like almost like 40% content I have added here now. after 8 months. Okay, even if you contact me like after like 1 year or after 6 months also, there might be a change in the course content again, because this generative AI is recently launched. Recently it was coming to the market right now. So like there is a chance to upgrade on daily basis. Okay, there is a chance to upgrade on daily basis as well. So that is the reason why. So whatever the major things you require, like we have deployed here already. Okay, so if there is any new things will coming up also, you can see here, this is our YouTube channel. So even on Informatica as well, like whatever we have started initially, the first batch or second batches, we haven't included the complete things there. Whatever the like latest updates are available, so whatever the latest systems they have taken come, okay, what are the latest UI they have taken come. So all these things, like we have made videos and we have published in our YouTube channel. In the same way, what we do is, whatever the current curriculum is there, if there is any upgradations, if there is any further changes are there in our course curriculum, surely like what we do is, for previous batches, like whatever the batches we have done till that time, for all of them, we will be providing these our YouTube videos also. Okay, we'll be uploading that particular concept in the YouTube, and then like we'll share that link with you people, so that like everyone can access that like the latest what are the tools that we have launched, or whatever the like a new concept that we have introduced in that particular batch. Those things also will be accessible.
Yeah, thank you, Karthik. So what type of certificate we will get?
So once after completion of the training, you are going to get a course completion certificate from Raj Cloud Technologies. So even if you want to go for some kind of like professional certifications also, yes, we'll help you for that. If you want to go, if you have any thought to go for any kind of professional certifications also, yes, I can help you with that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So any questions from anyone, please?
So I have one question here. So
please, Santil, yeah.
Yeah. With this 2 month, because I already working for almost around 17 years. Okay. With this 2 month, of course, how can we get a job? Okay. Even the job market is not that much good. Okay. I understand. Even I was trying for a job for last 1 month. Okay. So how so how like with this 2 month, how like because there are a lot of vast concepts and vast things means to know, to understand. It takes some time. I understand that. So anyhow, you guys are giving 7 projects. Okay. How that 7 project will help me in building and getting the job? Okay.
So I'll help you on this. See, the thing here is, so learning something nowadays for 6 months or 8 months is really very big deal. Okay. Even the people in the current meeting who are there. Okay. So to spend 2 months is also a big deal for them. Okay. So if we build a course for 6 months or 7 months, okay, it's really hectic. No one can give their consistency towards the course. Okay. That is the reason why we have covered the complete things in just like 60 to 70 hours. So we have a plan to complete the complete course in just 70 hours. Okay. This 70 hours, like whatever the content we are providing, this content is enough for you to get into the market right now. See, actually the generative AI is only, I can say like a 10 to 15% in the market right now. Okay. Still it is taking more time, like a 5 to 6 more months it may take, okay, to get a good market. Okay, now just it is starting. The many companies just now, many MNCs, I can say the named MNCs, they are just starting right now. Okay, still it will take more time to acquire the market completely. So till that time you have a chance to upskill yourself. Okay, so if you are ready by that time, then this will help you surely to get the job.
Okay, Karthik.
Yes, Anup, tell me. Yes.
What are the companies looking for? Like the candidate should have, more than 1 years of experience with GenAI, or just, I mean, what is the profile they're looking for
See, the
GenAI?
thing is, if your total experience is like around 4 years and 5 years, okay. So if you are like just 4 years or 5 years in this category, I can say 3 categories, okay. 1 to 6 years and 7 to 12 years and 12 plus years. 3 categories. If you want to go with the first, if you are in the first category, okay, till 6 years, you can just like show that like you have done some training projects, okay, and you have done some sample projects, and this is what I have used. This is what the open AI tools I'm using. These are the like generative AI tools I'm using till now in my work. You can just showcase the training projects is more than enough, and you can try as a you can try with a generative AI developers, or like whatever the like OpenAI concepts, I mean, what OpenAI tools they have mentioned in a JD, you can go ahead with that. If you are in the second category of 7 to 12 years, at least you should show 6 months to 1 year experience. 6 months to 1 year experience. Like 1 year experience is most recommendable. Okay. You can go ahead with 1 year experience by showing at least one project. At least one project you have worked completely on generative AI. Okay. Then you can show this experience and you can move. So if you are in a third category, more than 12 plus years of experience, then you need to showcase at least like 1.5 to 2 years of experience with 1 or 2 projects. One project is also enough, but if you are capable to explain 2 projects also, then that will be good. You can go ahead with that.
Thanks, sir.
But generally, what I can say is if you just check any JD right now, okay, so in this current JDs, like if you can see, like many people are asking the OpenAI tools. If you have the knowledge, that is more than enough. You can say that I learned these many tools from Raj Cloud Technologies, you can mention, or like I have learned a long back also, like you can mention. But the thing here is, if you have a knowledge, I have a knowledge, okay, but I don't get any chance to work on it. If you can just like say like this, and you can move also. If you are like a 1 year, 2 year experience candidate, or like till 4 years, you can say the same reason and you can go ahead, not a problem.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. So still any questions from anyone?
We need to pay fees at a time, or we'll have installment policies.
You can go ahead with installments also, not a problem. Okay, so you can complete your registration today and you can go ahead. The benefits will be a bit different for you. That's it. Okay. When you go for the like a complete payment, or the benefits, like what are the benefits are available. So you might not able to access the things in the installments. That's it. Okay. That's not a problem. You can just connect with my team. They'll help you about the registration process and like how you can plan your installments and everything. You can go ahead with that. Not a problem. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So still any questions from anyone? So if you are clear with the complete information, like what we have delivered in the current session, you can just like text me here in the clear. I can just get a word clear in the chat, please. If you are clear with the information, what we have delivered in this session, you can just like mention clear in the chat box. Okay, 1, 2, 4. Okay. So still if you have any question, as I said, you can connect with me. You can connect with me on these numbers. 1 second. Yeah, you can just connect with me on these numbers, 810-529-6858. Okay, so this is our calling and WhatsApp number as well. You can connect us on this number, and like whatever the questions you have, you can clear. Okay. Yeah. So before ending the session, so if you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training, okay, so please use this link and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get all our updates as well. And the current session, like whatever the session is going on, this session is also going to upload in the same YouTube channel. You can find out here. Got it? Yes. Thank you all. Thank you for joining session today. Have a great day. Thank you.